this video is to show you what comes in the package for the CRDC Life Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser. So this is the diffuser here. It comes with the plug. It comes with a little measuring container. So you take it out of the box, and this is wood look. It is not real wood. So there's what the lid looks like. So what I do is I use purified water. I use the RO out of my faucet, and I always keep a container close to my unit because I like to keep it going. So you just measure, and it does have a line that goes up to the 200 mLs, which is right there, as you can see. So I'm going to put a few drops, and I'm using lemongrass today. And then you replace the lid, and to turn it on, you simply hold that button on the right down, and it's got 4 different function. It's got 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and all the way on. And it's also got a light. If you press on this side, the light will come on. It's whisper quiet, as you can't hear it. And the light will change. It is a nice addition. So if you hold it down after the light starts changing, you can change it to any color you want, and it'll stay on that color. So again, that's the CRDC Life Essential Oil Diffuser. And it's aromatherapy, diffusing, humidifier, air purifier with a nightlight. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.